Hold on one second. I'm getting a phone call from someone. Hold on. I'm on live right now.
I know you are, sir. Why the fuck is my name in your shit?
You said what?
Why are you talking about me? Why are you using my name, Ratchet?
You said why am I using your name?
Yeah.
Your people will tell you. I really ain't gonna get into it on here, but you heard what happened.
No, I don't know nothing. I know I'm on my live and motherfuckers talking about you on your shit talking shit about me.
Oh no! I didn't talk shit. Go ask Lavish. Hold on. Me and Lavish just had a conversation. I wasn't talking shit about you.
Lavish don't run me.
No, I'm saying I did. She'll tell you. Verify.
Why are you using my name, Ratchet?
Ain't nobody
talk.
talk.
Permission to use my name, Ratchet?
Did I talk shit about you? No.
Why are you using my name?
Did I talk
Ratchet?
shit about you? 100% no. That's not true.
You don't have permission to use my name, Ratchet.
Okay.
Why are you using my name for clickbait?
I don't use your name for clickbait. What I said what I said. I said what I said in my video.
I don't have a problem with sin.
I didn't say you did have a problem with sin.
What's going on then?
It's with sin. The screenshots I put up. If you, that's what I'm saying. Before you call and try to do that, get the facts straight.
No, I'm calling you because people should not be coming to my life.
Last time, hold on. Last time people told you I was talking shit about you. Were they right or wrong? They were wrong, right?
I still don't know.
Okay. Well, you haven't seen one clip of me ever saying something bad about you, so that's wrong. So let me go here. When I put the screenshots up of what happened when she said about you faking it in the car and all the fake stuff, I put the screenshots up. I said what I said, and I never said anything bad about you.
But this is the thing. Did you call me before?
Did not.
You put me in shit. Why?
I'm not putting you in anything. I was making you aware. I was making you aware of something.
Well, no, you did, because you could have called me and made
I don't even know what you're calling. You didn't even call me. You didn't call me from a number just now.
I'm calling your number now because people calling me, Sin calling me.
I don't.
Calling me.
Who Sin called? I don't have nothing to do with her calling. She's calling you because I put her on blast of what she said about you.
I know what she called me. I know what she said. But I also know people saying that my name is on your title, telling me I'm coming for Sin. I don't have a problem with Sin.
After I talk to you, I'll let you know.
Hey girl, I just wanted to let you girls know that I'm a real messy bitch. I'm a messy bitch who lives for drama.
I'll hit you up and I'll let you know exactly what's going on.
Why you didn't call me before? See, this is what I'm saying. My attorney gonna come and see everybody.
Anyone come see me if they want to. I have a conversation with whoever wants to talk to me.
Don't fucking play with me. I'll set your fucking life back.
Have a good night, Queen.
You think I'm fucking playing with you,
I will call you later.
Do you fucking think I'm playing with you, bitch?
You wanna fuck with me? Okay.
All right, I ain't gonna be too many more of those.
Are you gonna do what the fuck? I call you if you hang up in my face, nigga. I send 7 niggas to your door.
Yeah. What? Blows, my man. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. My God.
Go ahead.
You're not gonna keep disrespecting me, Ratchet.
Go ahead.
Why is my name in your fucking title?
Get it off, Queen. Go ahead. Let it all out.
Bring me up on your live.
All right,
you want my name? Then bring me up on your fucking live.
All right, call in. Call in.
I'm not calling shit. Send me the fucking link.
All right, I got you.
Why is my shit in your shit?
No, my link is right there on my show.
No, I want you to send it to me personally. Because you bringing me in your shit. Now I'm coming to talk shit.
All right, let's go. Countdown is in the building.
What's up, Ratchet?
What's good, Countdown? What's up, man?
Man, I'm trying to figure out why my name in your live too, man.
Oh man, everybody wants to know. Your name is not in my live. I have your name nowhere in my. Do I?
Yeah, my name in your title, bro.
Oh, there we go. You probably saw why.
What's up, gang?
What's good, gang?
Yo, put my name in the title, Ratchet.
Bro,
man, this
I'm gonna put everybody name in the title at this point.
Right.
Hey, let me clear something up though, Ratchet.
Go ahead, get it clear. I feel a threat coming. Come on, go ahead.
I'm not gonna threaten you, my nigga. I'm beyond that, bro. That nigga, Young Wild ain't my artist, my nigga.
He said he was your artist. I don't know. He said you go back and he said he was your artist. I never said that. He said it. He said, that's my camp. Those are my people. I call in. I'm defending Countdown. That's what he said.
Well, shit, he fuck with P Youngster. You put that when you put that up, saying P was in Mo3 video.
No, they already cleared that up. That was not P Youngster. We cleared that up.
Yeah, that's why he called in, bro.
We cleared that up already.
All right, I just want to let everybody know, bro, that we cool with Young Wild, my nigga, but I'm not his manager, my nigga. I don't manage Young Wild, bro.
So he's not your artist.
Nah, he not my artist. Right now I only have 2 artists.
Okay, I would take your name out of type. That's not your artist. He said he did call in and he said that's my camp.
Yeah, we cool. We fuck with Young Wild. We just shot a video with Hot Boy West, and Young Wild was there with us. So yeah, he cool with us, but yeah, I'm not his manager though.
A sophisticated black strong channel. I'm trying to put you. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, so you're not affiliated with him.
Well, nah, we cool. I'm cool with Young Wild. I fuck with Young Wild. I'm just saying he not my artist though. I didn't want you to have my name in the title saying that I was his manager, bro. He ain't my artist, bro.
All right. Well, my apologies, Countdown. I will definitely clear that up for you. But he did say he was your artist, so.
All right, man. Y'all be good, man. I'm just watching, bro.
All right, bet, bro.
Oh, man, we gotta get Queen on here.
She's on here. She's right there.
What's up, Queen?
I'm trying to figure out why the fuck is my face and my name in your shit. You keep talking to me like I'm fucking playing with you, Ratchet.
Go ahead, get it off.
Somebody fucking playing here, Ratchet?
I didn't say anyone was. Go ahead, get it off.
Why the fuck is my shit on your shit?
What's you quit yelling?
Yeah,
I ain't got to do shit. Because you are using my shit without my permission.
Why are you yelling?
Why are you using my shit without my permission?
I don't know. I don't talk to no one.
Why are you using my shit without my fucking permission?
You're not even talking to me right now.
I wouldn't give a fuck. I'm talking to who the fuck I'm talking to.
But I'm talking to you.
I'm asking why's my shit on your shit, Ratchet.
I'm not going to listen to no one yelling at me. I'm going to be real.
I wouldn't give a fuck.
So,
man, that's how you do it. Yeah,
I wouldn't give a fuck. You're being disrespectful to me.
Who owes respect?
You're being disrespectful to me.
That's not me. That's not me talking to you.
That's not. Who the fuck is that?
That's a sophisticated black strong
channel. Why he talking to me?
Yeah, me.
Because I'm talking to you. Because you using my shit.
Your audio.
Shit that don't have nothing to do with me. I don't give a fuck.
Hey, sophisticated, call back in because your audio is real messed up.
Yeah,
call back in.
I mean, one minute he calling and threatening you. Now he denying you friend.
Nah, because he want Queen, man. That's what he want. But yeah, go ahead. Y'all get your shit off. Get it off. Get it off.
Hey, Ratchet, I got a question for you, bro.
Go ahead.
Listen. You can do this shit with everybody else. I don't give a fuck. Don't bring me into your shit unless you want me in your shit.
Fuck that little twig head ass.
Not the twig.
Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch.
Ratchet.
Go ahead, get it off.
I'm not fucking playing with you.
Go ahead.
Don't put me in your shit. I wouldn't give a fuck what saying said. I don't care. Because obviously you knew about it when she said it. Hoe ass, pussy ass, fuck ass nigga. You ain't said to me then. I wouldn't give a fuck. What the fuck you got to show me? I don't care. Why are you using my face and my fucking name?
Go ahead. Get it off. Get it all out.
I'm not let it all out. Answer the fucking question, nigga.
Let it all out. Just let it all out.
Because you think it's a game?
Ratchet, answer the question.
You think I'm fucking playing with you, boy?
What's the name of the show?
Ratchet, it's the king. That's who the fuck it is.
You think you something, nigga? I'll pull up and blow your whole fucking head off.
She talking like she got game.
I will pull up and blow this nigga head off. You don't know what the fuck he dealing
with. Gang.
On this motherfucker, I said it to you, bitch. Because you think it's a joke, now we gonna see in real fucking time. I'm not talking about spirit talk, bitch. I have a nigga pull up to your house and kill you, Ratchet. Don't fuck with me.
What is your issue, lady? What is your issue?
Damn.
Pussy boy. You
Queen,
understand?
queen,
I wouldn't give
queen.
a fuck.
She
Baby,
tweaking. She off that wet.
you need to
I wouldn't
calm
give a
down.
fuck. Did you hear what I said?
You need to
Don't
calm
put
down,
me
young
in your
lady.
shit.
Oh my God.
Don't put me in your shit. I don't give a fuck.
Oh my God.
I wouldn't give a fuck about you or this pussy ass nigga right here.
Oh Lord.
Cause that's all the fuck he wanna say.
Oh
Go suck
Lord.
a dick, little bitch. I wouldn't
Oh
give a fuck. Cause I'll pull up to Dallas and I'll kill you and that nigga in real time.
You
You
a
got no
lie.
time
You
on my
lying. You
fucking
already was in Dallas and you ain't let
yeah, you
nobody
can
know where
take
you
this
was at. You ain't
recording,
gonna do
bitch.
nothing.
You can say what the
And I
fuck you
think we
want to
saw
You
say.
ain't
Mo's
gonna do
hitter,
I
nothing.
yo.
don't give a fuck. When
You
I
ain't
said
gonna
what
do
I
nothing.
said,
You
cause I
woofing.
said what the fuck I said,
You woof.
nigga.
Yes, all
Now
you
if you don't
doing is
believe
saying
me,
what the fuck
drop
you
your
saying. You woofing.
drop
Only
your
thing you do is
address.
loud talk. That's all you do is loud talk. That's it. You just nothing but a mouth.
Drop your address though. Drop your
All
address,
you are
pussy
is a
ass
bunch
nigga.
of mouth.
Drop your address, dick
Girl,
mouth.
forget dropping an address. I'm
I
addressing
know
you
it,
right
cause you know
now.
I pull up, I kill you,
You
nigga.
ain't gonna
You
pull
don't
up
pull up
Tell the
on
nothing.
me,
You got a
ancestors to
nigga.
little
drop it.
gun
I
and you
wouldn't
are
give a
all
fuck about
hard.
you or Ratchet.
You know
I
what?
said
It's
what the
gonna be.
fuck
It's
I
gonna come a
said.
point in
I said
time
what I
where
said,
you gonna
pussy
meet your
boy.
demise with all
Till you
this
got an
threatening and talking
address, you
about you
ain't got
gonna
nothing to
kill
say to me.
somebody.
You a
You ain't gonna
pussy
do
ass.
nothing.
You better be
You ain't
careful. She
gonna do
gonna
nothing.
summon your address.
That woman woofing, she ain't gonna do nothing. She just talking.
She hung up.
Why do y'all think y'all relevant? Y'all, this nigga keeps saying on my show. Nigga, you ain't got no show.
Nigga, you act like you fucking BET or fucking MTV.
Nigga, you got a little small ass podcast, bitch.
Fuck out. If you want a
That
fucking
messy
podcast, you can
motherfuckers
get a
like.
goddamn podcast. How about that?
Messy motherfuckers like that nigga. You do nothing upon this plane. Nothing.
Out of here.
That nigga do nothing upon this plane. Now, who is the little irrelevant bitch that keep talking? Keep talking. Queen, I really respected you. Bitch, I don't give a fuck about your respect. Ho, who is you?
Sit on that, you ain't respect
She
me.
ain't no spiritual person. Listen how she talk. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you again. Yeah. You so mad about it. Fuck you. So mad. So mad because he ain't got no answer to the question. He mad because I said I made him relevant, but if I wasn't making you relevant, why the fuck y'all keep using my name in my face?
You clearly was my
You so mad because I don't give a fuck about what Sin said about me. I don't care. Like I told Sin on the phone. Whatever he said he got that you said, I don't give a fuck because ain't nobody said it to my face. And that's what I told her. And she said, I ain't never said nothing bad about you. I don't care about no message he said he got, Queen. I would have told you to your face. They like, well, Queen, she trying to help and get to you. I don't give a fuck. I do not care what Sin said about me. I don't care what Sko said about me. I don't give a fuck what SB said about me. I don't give a fuck what Ratchet said about me. I make all of them motherfuckers relevant. Y'all see me making videos about these niggas? That part lavish. He tried to say, cause see, I called him first. I called him on his on FaceTime. He gonna say, I'm on my live. I said, I know, pussy ass fuck nigga. Why you using my shit? He's so mad that I called him out. I do not give a fuck. You trying to put me in some bullshit that I don't give a fuck about, and you mad 'cause I don't give a fuck about it. Like I said, if she said it and you had it, you been had it, pussy ass nigga. Why the fuck you ain't brought it to the table? Now you mad? Now you wanna, that's hoe shit. This is hoe shit. This is hoe stunts. I don't do hoe stunts. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Why do these bitches keep thinking they relevant? She keep talking about some Queen, I used to have respect for you. You was my spiritual bitch. I don't know you. Fuck you, hoe. They so mad about the way the Queen talk, bitch. I don't give a fuck.
We supposed to be
I'm monitoring. Do I watch them niggas?
No, you don't.
Do I monitor these niggas?
You watch yourself. Mind your fucking business. You mind your business.
I was minding my fucking business in Bible study when they kept saying he was saying my name. Like I said, that nigga don't want no smoke. Cause see, he was backpedaling when it was just me and him on the line. He wasn't talking that gangster shit.
Say another motherfucking word and this shit is over. And I ain't playing, nigga. Shut the fuck, shut. Did I say, no? Oh, shit. Say it again. Say something else. Oh, say something else. Say something else, nigga.
He got up on his little petty ass fucking platform and was talking that gangster shit. Let's be clear. The little bald-headed bitch that was in the little box without a face that means nothing to me. Little bitch, I wouldn't give a fuck. I would read you to the death and hurt your feelings, ho, and make you cry, and you wouldn't do nothing but say I was lying. But in your soul, you fucking know I'm right. You mean nothing to me, petty ass bitch. I don't even know who the fuck you are. Y'all so mad talking about some lawyers. Then I'm watching it. They so mad. SB talking about some, it ain't even got to be that serious to where you talking about you gonna kill somebody. Yes, it is. Anytime you using my motherfucking name and face and you say I got a problem with some fucking body, bitch, that means you trying to get me killed. You put me in some hoe shit, bitch. Now you in hoe shit, bitch. And you don't get out of hoe shit till I say you do. You made a fucking move and you tried to cash a check that you didn't have money for. While SB keep yelling, I'm broke, bitch, I'm far from it. Don't matter what the fuck I got. Why the fuck do you keep worrying about me? Y'all hate for a bitch to say that you worried about me, but you fucking keep worrying about me. Cause see, I mind my fucking business. See, my lives got something to do with the healing and progress of the fucking Melanite community. Messy ass, pussy ass niggas. Y'all are little boys trying to play on my fucking playground and there ain't no room here for you. You take your Tonka trucks on before I crush them with my big wheel. This is not a game you want to fucking play. I don't give a fuck about you, the police, your lives, your lawyers, your threats, and nothing, bitch, because you came to me. All you hoe-ass, pussy-ass niggas keep yelling, Jossie Banks, fuck that bitch, too. In real fucking time, tell that bitch I said it. I don't give a fuck about none of you pussy-ass niggas. You don't move me. I was in your city, bitch. Did you show up to my event? You could have bought a ticket. You would have got the address. And I would have put a bullet in your fucking head, because that's who I am. You will never tell the fucking queen how to react to your actions. You act, I fucking react, period. Because see, I mind my business.
That's what you was doing.
It's always when I'm minding my business that a motherfucker finds the queen.
Always.
Then you don't like the end result.
Sad part.
Now you trying to act
Like I'm the fucking
problem. You should have minded your
fucking business.
But
Now I'm here to tell you
it was too fucking
late.
I told you long
Time ago.
Both of you
To mind your
fucking
business.
See, you assume
Because your boys
is still breathing.
and nothing is happening.
You just don't
No, they fucked
up already.
But see, you just
Don't want to know.
because you
Think I'm talking spiritually. No.
They told
You on your own
platform
She talking that gangster
the shit because
you didn't know
that I was gangster.
the bitch.
You met me
In the second
part
part,
of my life, ho.
you
You don't even know you
fucked up in real time. Somebody talking
spiritually here.
Nope.
I'm
Show you in real time who the fuck I am. I don't give a fuck
about your
respect. Tell me, fucking with me, you gonna
lose everything.
You threatening me, nigga?
There's a
threat here, man.
You heard a
threat? Cause I heard a
threat.
I said
They protect the queen
at all costs. Some threats made.
He tried to get real
funky fly.
because he's
Fucking wrong.
and now
He's wrong, he gets
walked down.
Cause see, I
Mind my business.
He should
have minded his
fucking business.
Dallas. Somebody
playing the game here. There's no
games being played here. I don't
need a
panel of motherfuckers to validate me. To say
hey to me.
To sit up and help me
talk about another
motherfucker. I don't need it.
I say what I
say. You don't
never pull my
fucking name and
say
Queen's domain
is coming for
sin. You talk
to me, bitch.
You'll understand when
I don't give a fuck
what you got.
I don't care what
you have. Did you talk
to me?
You had permission to use
me? You put me in
some shit, ain't you?
Gonna set me up? I'm a grown
woman. Whatever the fuck screenshot you got.
Why the fuck
would that matter
to me? Why the
fuck would that
matter to me?
What that woman
said. Why
would I need to
come for her? Cause
she said whatever the
fuck she said.
It's her opinion, ain't it?
Just like you fucking
got one, don't you?
Do you see
me coming out the
SB? Cause he got a
fucking opinion.
I wouldn't give a fuck about
that pussy ass
nigga. He don't mean shit to me. He won't
mean something to
me.
He's mad cause he
does not.
I said what I
said.
He's the not
walk past
his point. If he doesn't
have an apology
for the queen. I fucking change
lives. You don't understand
what I'm saying?
You don't understand
the importance here.
I ain't got
to change your
pussy ass life. It means nothing to me. I save and
change those who the
fucking spirit
say to.
You're
dead in the fucking
water, so you don't
mean shit.
Now we know all
the bottom
feeders on the fucking
panel. Who's
not bringing any life into the Melanite
community. That means
that's a problem.
If
you're not
bringing life
into the
Melanite
community, that
means it's a problem
for the Melanite
community.
Because if
you're not us,
you are
the fuck them. And if
you ain't us, you fucked up. It's one band.
One sound.
What is our concept?
One band, one sound.
One band, one sound.
Walk
that
nigga down.
He is
supposed to know it.
I am the
fucking general.
pour. So says the spirit. I am Medina.
Ah, the shit. Yeah. Shit.
I said go.
I want him to understand.
He should come back
to my table with
an apology. Him and
SB if they don't have
one.
He has a problem.
I'm the fucking
queen. For a reason.
I don't give a fuck.
You don't like my language. I don't owe you
shit.
You don't owe nobody nothing.
What do I owe?
No, nothing. Cause you was
Minding your business.
I was
minding my
fucking business.
fucking business. That's somebody else's business.
Your business.
My
fucking business. Not
somebody else's
business for clickbait. Well, I was
minding mine
and Noah's Ark. Ah, the shit. Yeah. Shit. Oh, yeah. In the book of lies. I
was minding the
fucking Bible's
business. This nigga trying to
get me killed.
So
payback is the
bitch.
I
don't have to try.
That
nigga owes me an
apology. And I want it. Period. I don't want
an apology
from SB.
I want his mouth closed. He doesn't
have anything to bring
to my table. I want him shut the
fuck up. I don't care
about no recordings.
I only deleted
the last
one because Spirit said
deleted.
His
name was in it.
He don't have
permission
to put me up
against anyone.
I don't
give a fuck what
sin
city rap
said. I don't care. I said off with that
nigga head both
of them.
And that's
What's up? You rock with the scene, and I'd like to welcome you to the Web